Now, this is a wacky story. When you think of cutting the grass, the first thing you probably think of is a lawnmower, right? Well, in Lakeview, Iowa, the mower looks a little different, and the lawn is filled with water. Workers at Black Hawk Lake, they are mowing the grass underwater. This machine is called an aquatic vegetation lake harvester. It was purchased for $250,000 by the DNR to help clean up what's become a pretty big problem.
In 2012, the DNR killed all the lake fish in order to get rid of the carp, which are a mud-generating fish. And when those fish died, that left the clear water, and the plant growth has been has exploded.
Now, the machine mows about 3 acres a day. That is 10 hours of mowing, moving at 4 miles an hour.